Here is how you need to prepare with the Gulfie Dentist Course for Dental Hygienists. This course includes concept-clearing lectures, reference textbooks in PDF format, practice MCQs, recent papers, mock exams, and WhatsApp revision group. As you may already know, Gulf dental exams primarily focus on clinical-based questions. To ensure your success, we prioritize clearing the clinical concepts through a series of recorded lecture classes. These lectures provide an in-depth understanding of typical case scenarios and important topics that frequently appear in the exam. We also provide you with PDF of reference textbooks that help you strengthen your knowledge. Once you have completed the lectures, you will progress to practicing MCQs. Our practice questions come with detailed explanations where you will find not only the reason for the answer but also a brief explanation of each other options, helping you understand why those options are not the answer to that particular question. This ensures that you are well prepared to handle variations of questions that may arise. All these explanations have the source of reference mentioned at the end of the answer. We understand that you may still have doubts, and that's why we have WhatsApp revision group. In this group, you can come and simply copy-paste the question in doubt, and you will receive the answer for it in 24 to 48 hours. Once both the lectures and the practice questions are completed, you will be moving on to the mock exams. You can boost your confidence with our realistic mock exams, simulating the actual Prometric exam experience. To keep you up to date with the latest exam trends, we provide recent exam papers. This ensures that you stay informed and can adjust your preparation accordingly. We also provide you with additional notes that help you understand the important topics better. At Gulfie, you will have your own account through which you can access your study material on the website anytime, anywhere, on any device. We provide you with a total of 6 months access to make sure that you complete the entire syllabus before appearing for the exam. Having said that, it is not advisable to drag your preparation any more than 6 months at the max, but in case you will need an extension, we do provide that too. So, are you ready to take the next step towards success?